Hello students, welcome to Social Science class 10th. Student, in last class we have discussed about language policy of India. Now, center-state relationship. What is the relation between central government and state government of different states in India? So, let us see. Restructuring the central-state relationship is one more way in which federalism has been strengthened in practice. Means if we have good relation of central and state government, then federalism is more powerful. How the constitutional arrangement for sharing power work in reality depend on large extent how the ruling party and leaders follow these arrangements. Suppose constitution has given more power, some power to state government and some power to central government. But what happens if central government do not allow state government to फंक्शन प्रॉपरली? जब मतलब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर पावर जो है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की ज़्यादा है, तो फिर क्या होता है, वो सही तरह से फेडरल सिस्टम में काम नहीं कर पाते. दिस मीन्स दैट गवर्नमेंट डिड नॉट एक्सरसाइज देयर राइट एज ऑटोनोमस फेडरल यूनिट. मीन्स अपने तरीके से वो काम नहीं कर पाते. एज And when the ruling party at the state level was different, the party that ruled in the center tried to undermine the power of state. So students, let us see one example. Suppose you are living in a state where there is a rule of party A. Suppose we are living in Haryana, we have government of BJP. And at center level there is a government of BJP. Nowadays there is no difference, but in recent years, recent decades, there was a difference that where there is non party, or means the party which is ruling in central level, its government is not in the state, then that state was being exploited and the government power, the state government powers were undermined. Suppose पंजाब में एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जब मान लो पंजाब में कांग्रेस की सरकार है लेकिन सेंट्रल में बीजेपी की सरकार है, तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की सरकार, पार्टी की सरकार स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में यानी कि पंजाब स्टेट में नहीं है, तो उसकी पावर को, उसकी शक्तियों को अंडरमाइन करना, ये काम चलता था पहले. In those days, the central government would often misuse the constitutional to dismiss the state government. ये ऐसा कई बार हुआ है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को हटाने के लिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अपनी कुछ पावर को दुरुपयोग करती थी, मिसयूज करती थी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के रूप में. All this changed significantly after 1990s. ये कब चेंज हुआ? 1990s में. This period saw the rise of regional political parties in many states of country. छोटी छोटी पार्टीज आई, जैसे हरियाणा में इंडियन नेशनल लोक दल, पंजाब में श्रोमणी अकाली दल, यूपी में समाजवादी पार्टी. डिफरेंट स्टेट हैविंग देयर रीजनल पार्टीज which led to the formation of coalition governments at the center level. Because at center level government is formed from the different region, different states. Different state contribute to the voting system, or we can say whole country participate in elections, and in election different state preferring different parties. So there was no party during 1990s which got majority to form central government. This led to the formation of coalition government. Since no single party got clear majority in Lok Sabha, the major national party had to enter into alliance with many other parties, some regional parties at a state level. This led to new culture, power sharing, and respect to the autonomy of a state. So you can see the different party alliance, that is UPA and NDA. UPA is the alliance of Congress, Union Progressive Alliance, and the NDA, National Democratic Alliance, is the alliance of BJP. We can see this alliance in our present day political status or in the governments. So this picture shows the how did the center give power to the states which were ruled by their own party. Center level, you can see she is Indira Gandhi, the leader of Congress or Prime Minister of India at that time. She was a share of power to the state. This is very funny picture of that time, but that was the reality. Central government was giving very few powers to the states. On the other hand, next photograph you can see, this is coalition government. You can see from the picture, he is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He ran his government with different parties, like these parties, these are coalition parties. You can see from the picture, very funny pictures are there. These are parties, different parties collaborate to form the central government. But these parties can withdraw their support whenever they need. So these parties are shown as bombs. मतलब एक पटाखे की तरह बताए, कभी भी फट सकते हैं. तो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट में ये होता है, सभी को खुश करना जरूरी होता है, नहीं तो क्या होगा, सरकार टूट जाएगी या कह सकते हो फट जाएगी. इस तरह से आप कह सकते हो फट जाएगी. So these two cartoons are very funny and describing the situation, political situation of India and center-state relationship. Now, when the coalition government era was started, that was the time when judgment made from Supreme Court that there is no power for any central government to dismiss any state government in arbitrary manner. Thus, the federal power sharing is more effective today than it was early years when the constitution came into force. Because when India became free, then there was only one party, Congress party, which was ruling in India, which led to one party system, which is not the function of federal system. So student, you will only do this topic, read this topic. I know you will face some difficulties in reading this topic. You can ask me whenever you required. Read it and make notes of this topic. Thank you.